Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. First things first, I just want to say thank you to the channel members. Thank you all. I appreciate you more than you know. And thank you to anyone who comes in to check out my knife, my EDC content. I really appreciate you guys. If you're so inclined and you haven't yet, I have to ask, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It really does help me out. So anyway, today is an unboxing that comes to me from Kizer, something new, something that's not quite out yet. But this is, I don't have the specifications on it because this is just, or the price point on this because it's just the unboxing. But this is a Miltaw version or V3634A1, designer Jonathan Stiles. This one's in a Nitro-V blade, black G10 and micarta, and a steel liner, which is telling me that this might be more of a budget-minded Miltaw. I apologize. Here comes cat crossing. Sorry about that, guys. Chippy crossing there. So anyway, where were we? We're opening this up. So the Miltaw. This is a knife that I have seen, I've heard wonderful things about, and I've never experienced it. Best wishes for you. Best wishes for you. And then some little Miltaw Halloween, Merry Christmas, holiday type stickers. A little pouch. That's new. Oh, look, and more confetti. So the packaging is really festive and cool, and I guess it's kind of holiday-y. Then you got your cleaning cloth here, and you've got this little QR code, which I guess you could scan, read the manual. I guess that's where the manual is or whatever. Kind of neat that they've done it that way. And then we have some extra hardware, extra screws. So it's always good to see that. And we have a little bag. Looks familiar to some of the manufacturers we see over here. And then in our bag we have a little taped up bag. And the knife. Let's put that back up. Alright, the Kizer Militaw in Nitro-V, blacked out. That G10 in micarta looks very, very cool. And I'm assuming that this is going to affect the cost with steel liners, with the, ooh. Very snappy detent, guys. Let you listen to this. But I know the other Miltaws were either in M390 or S35, if I'm not mistaken, and they seem to be, you know, I think around right under $200. This has, that micarta is inlaid. So I think this G10 is milled out, allowing for that micarta. You got two body screws, so you're connected at the pocket clip and at the pivot. You've got milled out liners, all black, except for the micarta, which I really like. And that micarta will darken up. On bearings, drop shut action. I think I was curious of, I did an unboxing the other day, and I'd never checked out one of the Miltaws, and I was curious. Yep, just like I thought. The fixed blade Miltaw is the same length as the regular Miltaw. So guys, this is what I would consider to be a medium size, maybe a good medium large size knife, full size knife, but by no means a giant. I'm guessing that blade, it says 3.36 inches on the box. I'm going to believe that until I measure it and we do our review. But really, really slick little knife. Again, heard a lot about it. There's several Kizers I've checked out recently that I purchased, like the Mercury, the Phoenix, the Veritas. Loved all those knives. Gave those away in Friday Night Flicks. And I never checked out the Miltaw, even though it was one that always looked kind of like my jam, something that I would really like. I really like it. I like the way it feels in my hand. The clip is very comfortable. Let's see how it cuts. And no, guys, I apologize. I still have not made it easier to fish out this freaking paper. I got one of these big 750 sheet reams. That's why when it comes out, it's all bent. And guys, I'm a big fan of Nitro-V, personally. But as y'all know, my hard use cutting is very minimalistic. But this knife is very sharp. Yeah, guys, that is very cool. And I have a feeling before the review, I'll try to have a price for this. But I have a feeling it is going to be a more value-minded or value-aimed model of a fantastic and very popular knife. Now, I know the couple of times I went out to try to get a Miltaw, when I was in a position where I could, they weren't available. I know they've been made available, and I love to see them not only come out with a fixed blade, but to come out with a G10 micarta, Nitro-V, still very quality materials. The knife feels perfect, perfectly centered. Front flipper takes a little getting used to for me because I'm not a front flipper guy. And I think if anybody who's followed the channel for a while knows that's kind of like my least favorite deployment method. But I do love the middle finger flick. And I do love the way this knife feels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in my pocket. I'm going to carry it for a while. See what I think of it. I'm going to cut some stuff with it. And let you guys know what it's like. You know, it might even inspire me to obtain a Miltaw, a nicer one down the road. But this is definitely a cool knife. Good materials, Nitro-V. The G10 in micarta, something I've never seen before. And the entire scale is G10. You can see where the micarta is laid in there. You've got deep carry clip, perfectly centered blade, black hardware, just well done. T8 hardware all the way around. Great knife, guys. I'll let you know what I think after I carry it for a while. But do me a favor, if you're still here and you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Give it a like or a dislike. But most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose to bait, not hate. I love you all. Peace.